Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. Again, I want to thank everyone for all of your support on the channel. All the viewers, all the subscribers, immensely appreciate the support. Today, I want to jump into the portfolio. I want to go over a few stocks that have upcoming ex-dividend dates this next week. All stocks that can be utilized in a dividend capture, swing trading type of strategy, but also stocks I think have some value in the longer term as well. Stocks that could be good as buy and hold stocks. And a few stocks which I'll talk about, which would also be very good for options trading, including covered calls, essentially earning a rate of return on stocks you're holding longer term anyway. I've been doing a video series on options trading. Please take a look at those videos if you are interested. A very good way to earn extra income on stocks you are holding in a buy and hold fashion. So let's go ahead and jump into the stocks here. There will be 3 new stocks I'll introduce to you, and then 2 stocks from my personal portfolio. 2 stocks I think are very good for options trading, covered calls, which we'll discuss. So the 3 new stocks here, the first one is up on screen here, ETH, Ethan Allen. If we scroll to the bottom here, you can see this is a company engaged in manufacturing home furnishings and accessories. You can see on the earnings report here, the last earnings report did very well, Q4 2017. I do want to caution you that there is an upcoming earnings report on April 25th. You definitely want to take that into consideration when jumping into new positions. Stocks can be quite volatile and can either trend up quite nicely or trend down quite a bit depending on that earnings report. So take that into consideration. In the middle here, you can see statistics. Very good dividend yield on its last dividend payment, 2.29. The current upcoming ex-dividend date with its earnings percentage will be 3.4%. Also, I want to caution you guys that this is a small cap company, $625 million. So the smaller the company, typically the more risk is involved. But I think there is some potential for a longer-term contrarian investment with this stock. You can see 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, and also 1 year here, all down in the red. 1 year, 22.09%. You can kind of see an up and down pattern with this stock. At one point, getting up over $35 before really trending back here. I think there is some value for a longer-term buy and hold with this stock. A contrarian investment, this is definitely on my short list for stocks on that particular type of strategy. But again, I think this is a stock that can be utilized in many different ways: dividend capture, swing trade, and as well as a longer term buy and hold. So the important dates for ETH here, Ethan Allen. The ex-dividend date will be next week on the 10th. Payment date will be on the 25th. A 19-cent dividend per share for about a 3.4% rate of return. So a very good stock here. And again, I just want to point out that I'm not recommending any investor jump into a stock. I'm not recommending anyone buy these stocks. These are simply stocks I'm personally taking a look at for the type of strategies that I've discussed. Dividend capture, swing trading, as well as buy and hold, contrarian types of investments. The second stock here, CPB, Campbell Soup. I'm sure everybody knows this company here. Manufacturing, marketing, convenience, food products, including canned soup, simple meals, snacks. There are a number of different business segments here. Again, very good earnings over the last couple earnings reports, Q3, Q4, an upcoming earnings report May 18th there. Last dividend payment percentage, 2.65%. The upcoming will be 3.35%. You can see this is a very large company. I would consider this a blue chip company, unlike ETH. You take a look at its rate of return here in the green for 1 week and 1 month. 3 months, it is down 6.84%. 1 year, 20.33%. So just like ETH, I think there's some longer-term potential for this stock, contrarian type of investment. At one point, up over almost $64, $65, pulling back here quite a bit. I think this, again, is a good stock for dividend capture, swing trade, but also buy and hold, contrarian type of investment. The important dates for Campbell Soup here. Ex-dividend date, just like ETH, will be on the 10th of April. Payment 30th of April, 35 cents per share for a dividend yield of about 3.35%. So very good stock that can be utilized in a number of different strategies. The last new stock here is Cracker Barrel. I have talked about this stock on other videos. I have not had it in the portfolio, however. CBRL, Cracker Barrel, excuse me. As you can see on the bottom here, this is a company, essentially a restaurant, sort of a themed type of restaurant. There are a number of different business segments to this company, just like the other 2. Earnings here, kind of up and down pattern here. The next earnings report on the 22nd of May. Last dividend yield percentage, 2.991%. The upcoming dividend yield will be 2.95%. This is also a very large company, $3.92 billion. So sort of an intermediate between small cap and large cap company. If we take a look at its performance as well, 1 week up 2.53%. 1 month, 3 months is down a bit. Over the last year, however, it is up 6.54%. And really, this is a stock that has been growing and gaining a lot of popularity. Again, I think this is a very good stock that can be held longer term as well, not only in a shorter term dividend capture swing trading type of strategy. So the important dates here, the 12th of April will be the ex-dividend date. Payment will be the 7th of May, $1.20 per share for a dividend yield of 2.95%. So those are the 3 new stocks here: CBRL, Cracker Barrel, CPB, Campbell Soup, as well as ETH, Ethan Allen. Now I want to go over a couple other stocks that have upcoming ex-dividend dates as well. And the first stock you can see here is ABT, Abbott Laboratories, as well as its offshoot company here, ABBV, both healthcare companies. AbbVie here, the pharmaceutical company, Abbott Laboratories, the healthcare company. They split from the same company, I think, a few years ago. They both have ex-dividend dates on the 12th of April. Payment dates will both be on the 15th of May. 0.96 per ABBV, 0.28 cents per Abbott Laboratories ABT, for about a 4.3% rate of return for ABBV. And then Abbott Laboratories over here will have a rate of return about 2% or so. I think these are very good stocks for a longer term buy and hold. If we take a look at the 1-year graph as well, you can see there is a big pullback here. 3 months, you can definitely see that here, 1.71% with a kind of up and down pattern with Abbott Laboratories. But if we take a look at AbbVie here, an even more compelling reason to get into this stock, I believe, personally. This is a very good company that, as you can see here, has been pulling back quite considerably. Over the past 1 year, it is up 41.62%. You can see that big pullback here from 118, 119, all the way down to $90 or so. So I think there is some value to jump into the stock on discount. And both ABBV as well as Abbott Laboratories ABT, I think, are very good stocks to hold longer term and doing covered calls, which I talked about in my prior video. So please take a look at that. So again, the 3 stocks here: Cracker Barrel, CRBL, Ethan Allen, ETH, as well as Campbell Soup Company, CBP, and then AbbVie, ABBV, as well as Abbott Laboratories ABT. 5 great stocks for dividend capture, swing trading types of strategies, but also great stocks I think that can be held for the longer term as well. So let me know what you guys think of these picks. I'm probably going to be jumping into one of these stocks. I'll kind of see next week what kind of plays out, but I think I'm leaning towards jumping into ABBV, putting some more capital into this stock, trying to get up to 100 shares so I can start doing covered calls. But I'm certainly going to be taking a look at those other companies as well. So let me know what you guys think, again, of these stocks. If there are better stocks out there, please let me know in the comment threads down below. If you guys have questions about this video, other videos, again, let me know in the comment threads down below as well. And not to make the video too long, I'll kind of end it here, and we'll see you guys next time.